Hey everyone and welcome back. If you watched day 1, you know all about artificial intelligence and its revolutionary potential. But how does AI actually achieve that intelligence? Have you ever thought of how Netflix knows exactly what movie you want to watch next? Or how your phone suggests the faster route home on its own? The secret isn't magic, it's actually machine learning or ML. Today on day 2, we're diving into the basics of ML and the backbone of AI revolution. So what is machine learning really? Machine learning is a transformative field of AI that empowers computer systems to learn from data and improve their performance on a task without being explicitly programmed. Essentially, it's about creating algorithms that can identify patterns, make predictions, and adapt to new information. At its core, you feed a vast amount of data to an algorithm and it builds a mathematical model. This model is then used to make predictions or decisions. The simplest way to look at it is you teach the machine by example. Instead of telling it every rule, you show it thousands of examples and it figures out the rules itself. ML versus traditional programming. In the old way, you have data and you have the rules. You put them together and you get an answer. In machine learning, we do the reverse process. We give the computer the data and the desired answers, and the computer figures out the rules which we call the model. This reversal is powerful because it lets us solve problems that are too complex to write rules for, like facial recognition or recommending a perfect song. Let's talk about the process and understand how machine learning actually works. The process typically involves 5 key steps, which you can think of as a training loop. Number 1 is data collection. This is the foundational step. You need to relevant high quality data, whether it's images, text, numbers or videos, to teach the machine. Garbage in, garbage out. Number 2 is data preparation. The collected data is then cleaned, organized and pre-processed. We get rid of errors, fill in the missing gaps and format it so the machine can understand it. Model training. This is the learning phase. The prepared data is used to train a machine learning model. The model adjusts its internal mathematical parameters, constantly seeking to better understand the patterns within the data. Number 4 is model evaluation. After training, we test the model's performance on a separate set of data that it has never seen before. This helps us assess its accuracy and its ability to generalize to new real-world scenarios. Number 5 is prediction and deployment. Once the model is deemed accurate enough, it is deployed to put into action to make predictions on new live data. This is when the ML system starts providing value, like predicting what you'll buy next. Let's talk about how machine learning is transforming industries. In healthcare, ML is revolutionizing diagnostics and treatment. Models analyze medical images to detect fatal diseases with incredible accuracy, often faster than a human could. Predicting stock market trends. Algorithms analyze historical data, financial news, and even social media sentiment to forecast price movements, helping traders make better decisions. Software development. ML is making code faster and bug-free. It analyzes code and historical data to predict where bugs are most likely to appear, allowing teams to focus their effort on building better and providing more reliable software which is faster. Furthermore, ML can automate visual testing by detecting subtle design issues that manual testers might miss. And to wrap up day 2, remember that machine learning is the process where a computer learns the rules from data. It's the core capability that makes modern AI possible. Join me for day 3, where we'll dive into what is deep learning, unlocking the power of neural networks, the advanced techniques that power things like image generation, large language models, and you won't want to miss that. Also, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you.